Right, we just arrived in North Bali. Took us about 3.5 hours to get there from the airport. We are in our hotel, if you can really call it an hotel. This is what you get for £28 a night. Are you ready? So this is a private garden area. We've got like a seating area here. Got lights over there in that pagoda. Sound system out here that we can use as well. Let's give you a quick look at his front garden, little water feature. Driveway to park your car, big secure gate. Lots of decorations. There's a monument there for you to show your respect. So let's just start with the front door, I guess. It's going to be a longer video because it's quite a big property, so we'll open the front door. In we come into the living room. Obviously we just brought his cases in. So this is his living room. It's beautiful, beautiful. Into the first bedroom. A big wardrobe space. That all locks. Fantastic, fantastic. Nice little mirrored area there, look. Ensuite bathroom with an ensuite shower in there as well. Alright, let's go around to the next one. Hello. So this one is the girls' room. So again, similar setup. You've got a vanity table, or you open in your advent calendars. Double bed, wardrobes again. Again, big space, loads of room in there. Another ensuite bathroom, so this is bathroom number 2. Another shower there.
And Brooke's now here.
Hello, Brooke. Into the living room was a sound system, big TV, obviously you can see it's massive. Into the master bedroom. Hello. So here we are, into the master bedroom. Nice big king size bed there. And another ensuite with a full shower unit there. Let's turn that on. There we go. Full shower unit. Another shower there, look. And a lower shower for rinsing. Big bathroom there. Then we're going to get into the best parts of it now, look. Big wardrobes there as well, look. Yeah, fantastic, massive.
You got some hangers in it.
Into the open kitchen. So we've got hobs, sink, water machine, toaster, rice cooker all included. This is our view straight out the back. I'll go back to that in a second. The second kitchen with a fridge, freezer, another cooking utensil, another sink for cleaning. 2 cupboards come fully stocked with pans, cups, glasses, everything that you could need. We brought loads of stuff with us which you didn't need to bring, which is kind of irritating, but we'll probably need it at the next place. Come out, we've got a lovely little fish pond with a load of koi carp.
And a swimming pool.
We've got a swimming pool here. Not convincing how clean the swimming pool is overall, but it is a swimming pool. We've got his own private pool in his own private garden here. Take it down, there's an aviary down here, so there's 3 aviary cages down here. I'm not going to go all the way down because I've got no shoes on.
I don't think I can do that.
Let me just grab a pair of sandals. Never mind, I can't get them on. I'll take you down this way. So this is away from where his driveway were. Into the garden.
There's a clean fire answer.
So as you can see, all this is ours as well. So a nice big seating area there as well. Swing over there. Another bird there, look. I can zoom in and show you. There you go. So yeah, this is all included in it. So this is all part of our, what I was saying is a hotel, but it's entirely a villa really. That takes you back up to where we started. So yeah, we've got amazing views, a load of space, more space than we could need for next to nothing. Like you imagine in the UK, there's nothing anywhere close to this price in the UK. We looked and you're looking at like 20 to 30,000 pounds a month for something this size. So yeah, thank you very much. Hi Sophie. We'll see you all next time. Bye.